Okay, so you want to add a title. Scrub to where you want to be on your video to add the title. If you want it there. Then click on it and then click on the T. That's going to give you all different options of what your title wants to be. So you click, I picked on gravity, and then I'm going to click on it and I can type away. And then when you're done, don't forget to click done. So there it is. Now, if you don't want it to go your entire movie, because that would be a really long time, you click back on it, then click on the scissors at the bottom left, and then click split. And then it's gone. Okay? Now, if you want to add title before and after on a Mac, it's really easy. It lets you add backgrounds, but it's not so easy on the iPhone. So what I figured I would do is click the plus button. This is a workaround. Click photos, and then pick a photo, a static photo of some sort. I'm going to add this one in. So here's the opening to my video. You could just make it white, and now you can, over top of that, you can add your title. It's a workaround. So in regular iMovie, on the computers, you can add backgrounds. I don't think they're on the iPhone. So just add a blank photo, and then you can do, add the title. And there you go. Hope that helps.